Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming system requirements and signing into accounts. Open Microsoft Store and install Samsung Notes. Make sure the app has permission to access files and your Microsoft account. Once installed, launch the app and sign in with your Samsung account so syncing can work. If you use a Galaxy device, enable Samsung Cloud or Samsung Notes Sync on the phone. This ensures your notes are discoverable on Windows and prepares the apps to exchange data immediately. Now you'll sync and interact with content. On your phone, open Samsung Notes and enable Samsung Cloud Sync. Make sure recent notes have uploaded. On Windows, open Samsung Notes and pick Sync or Import. Watch the status icon until everything downloads. You can create new notes with your keyboard or a pen, draw with a stylus, and arrange pages into folders. Use tags and notebooks to keep things tidy. This helps you find content quickly and maintain a consistent workflow across devices. Finish by exporting or sharing notes and verifying sync integrity. To share, select a note and choose Export as PDF or use the Share command for email or other apps. This preserves formatting and handwriting. If sync fails, make sure you're using the same Samsung account, confirm internet and firewall settings, and update the Microsoft Store app. As a quick fix, sign out of Samsung Notes on Windows, clear its cache or app data, sign in again, and restart. This forces resynchronization and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.